Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome to my next video. This video is also the second part of the home tab that we were learning in the last video. So let's start it now. In our last video we just learned up till this border filling and this font color. Now from today in our today video we will start from this alignment options. So let's learn first how it works. So I have just already put some data for our analysis, and let's see, I just want to align it to the top align. This option will show you the top align ad showing in the option. It means align text to the top. So if I select this one, it will make alignment to the top. The next is middle align. This option is for the middle align. What it works, align text so that it is centered between the top and bottom of the cell. Let's click this one, or let's type this one. So that means it's already, if you see, this all will center all the text in the center of the cells. Next option is bottom align. Align text to the bottom. If we see this one, if we increase the size of the cell, then we will be able to better understand the alignment concept. So let's see. This is the middle one, this is the bottom one, and this is the top one. Now we are in a better position to understand this concept. The same we can check here. Here I will use all border option, all borders, so you can see that it will change. So if I will use this left align, it will align the text to the left, as you can see in the picture. It will align to the left. Now if I will just want to make it center, center your content. This center means center your content, so it will make center. I will select again all the field and I will make it center. Okay. The next is this option shows align right. Align your content to the right. If I click this one, you see all the text or all the data is aligning to the right side of the cell. There is option like this option, orientation. This is called orientation. What it works, it works rotate your text diagonally or vertically. This is a great way to label narrow columns. We can just check it now. So you can see this has changed the alignment of the text. Orientation, I used angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, you can see, and vertical text, you can see here. Also rotate text upward. Then if you can see rotate text down, then you see we have more options. This is format cell alignment. Alignment setting means don't see what you are looking for. Check out the full set of cell alignment options. If here you are unable to find your required option here, you can just click this option. Then you will be able to have more options like horizontally right, vertically right, or bottom. You can have more options for your selection. So these options are, you already know how it work. And this option is decrease indent. Decrease indent means move your content closer to the cell border. And this decrease indent move your content farther away from the cell border. You can see There is this takes option to the left border decrease indent, and this take to the farther from the indent. You can see the practical option here. This is the this shows the left to right, right to left, or context. Left to right text, left to right text direction. Set the text to read from left to right. Okay, this the right to left means right to left text direction. Set the text to read from the right. Okay, and this context allows Excel to choose the paragraph direction based on the language that is being typed. So normally we use context, as you know, in Urdu language or other some languages start from right, Arabic and Urdu, but English starts from the left. So these are the options from this one. If we will select context, it will start paragraph from direction base, whatever language we will type. Okay, so next is wrap text. How wrap text works? Wrap extra long text into multiple lines so you can see all of it. Let's suppose here I have a big name for this Ali Ahmed Khan, and I see it's not showing here. So if I use wrap text, it will show the full name like this. Okay, if you see now only Ahmed is showing. If I do wrap text, it will show the fully. Then you have to make this a little wider so you can see this complete name. Okay, you can increase the cell size and you will be able to see the full name. Then there is option merge and center. Merge and center, what's the purpose? Combines and center the contents of the selected cells in a new larger cell. This is a great way to create a label that spans multiple columns. Let's see हमारे पास we have multiple columns to mix, like this name is bigger and I want to merge it with the next cell. I will select both, then I will select merge and center. You can see two cells are merged. Even if you want to merge the column, you can use this option. Also, you know, I have selected two columns, so these two columns are merged accordingly. That's it for now. We will study or learn further the next options under the home tab. Thank you so much.